session for a topic cloud computing. So students, basically cloud computing, you all know that cloud computing is so it is an software which can deliver the data through the internet. So here it contains many techniques, many types. Some of them are software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and product as a service. So now we are going to discuss what are all the techniques, what are all the challenges, and how cloud computing helps in future trends. Okay, start.
Now I am going to explain about the key techniques of the cloud computing. There are 6 key techniques. They are virtualization, multi-tenancy, elasticity, service models, containers, and edge computing. Now, virtualization. Virtualization allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical server. Types, namely full virtualization, para-virtualization, hardware-assisted virtualization. Multi-tenancy. Multiple users share the same physical resources, but with logic isolation. This helps us to reduce cost because resources are shared. Now, elasticity. Cloud systems can scale resources or down dynamically based on demand. So, projects like Clear provide automated multi-grain resource allocated to support elasticity. Next is service model. There are 3 main models. They are IaaS, infrastructure as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, SaaS, software as a service. Now, infrastructure as a service, provision of raw computing resources. Next is provide platform as a service. That provides a platform for developers to build application. Next is software as a service. Applications are hosted in the cloud and provided over the internet. Now, the next part is containers and microservices. Containers lighter than virtual machines are more efficient. Microservices architecture by big cloud native companies helps in scaling, maintaining, and deploying in applications. So this is very common in modern cloud application. Next is, and the last one is edge computing. Bringing cloud capabilities closer to the user data source, this reduces latency.
Okay, today let's see the real world case study on GE on Azure. So first one, company, General Electric. Then its challenges. GE Industrial Mechanics produce massive data from sensors like IoT on premise infrastructures couldn't scale efficiently. Then it's for cloud solution. GE adopts Microsoft Azure to host its Predix platform, and they used cloud analytics plus machine learning on Azure to analyze sensor data. With PaaS and big data services, they could build predictive maintenance models, and technique used. Elasticity compute scales are required. Data storage like big data in cloud, and analytics and machine learning services on cloud. And the outcomes are reduced downtime, predictive maintenance, and improved operation efficiency, better insights from machine data, and more aligned in developing analytics solution globally.
Hi everyone, I am going to speak about the drawbacks of cloud computing. A company drawbacks includes a problem they had to scale global storage and access the managing their own data center was becoming inefficient. A solution, migrate to AWS for their storage and backend cloud techniques, and use of virtual machines for computer storage on cloud for files, multi-tenancy to pooling the lowest cost. Results drawbacks was able to scale the massively reduce the instructions over and serve it millions of users relatively. Thank you.
Now let's see the challenges and risk in cloud computing. Cloud also has a risk mentioned in a few to make your case balanced. The first one is security and privacy. Because resources are shared multi-tenancy, these are the risk. And next, cost management. Without proper planning and auto scaling can lead to the cost overruns. The cost model study shows that cloud costs differ significantly between providers. And next, vendor lock-in. Moving heavily into one cloud provider may make future migration hard. And next, performance and latency. For real world application, network latency can be issue.
Future trends of cloud computing. The containers and Kubernetes will be continue to dominate, making deployment more portable and efficient. And serverless computing, FAS, function as service, more gain and scaling. And edge computing for computing will grow, especially for IoTs. AI and ML is in cloud, most advanced analytic real-time relevance.
So let's conclude this. So basically, cloud computing is not just about the storage, it's a full ecosystem enabled by virtualization, multi-tenancy, microservices and elasticity. So real world companies like GE and Dropbox show how cloud can transform the business. So while there are challenges like cost and security, the benefits like scalability and cost efficiency, it makes it a key technology for the modern era.